Students, Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope you all are good. Dear students, today we are going to start new chapter. It's about environmental pollution. Do you see this picture? Yes, it is divided into three sections. As you can see, the first one, the emission of the smoke from the chimneys of the factories. Here you can see the water, the dirty water or the discharge from the factory. Here in the third section of the picture you can see seems like junk that is scattered on the land, which is making the environment polluted. So I am going to start reading, and with the reading I will also comprehend the chapter. So listen to the teacher very carefully, and before and after watching the video, read this chapter again and again so that your concepts will be more and more clear. Okay. See here, environmental pollution. It is taken from the World Book Encyclopedia. Environmental pollution is a term that refers to all the ways by which people pollute their surroundings. People dirty the air with gases and smoke and poison the water with chemicals and other substances, and damage the soil with too many fertilizers and pesticides. People also pollute their surroundings in various other ways. For example, they ruin natural beauty by scattering junk and litter on the land and in the water. They operate machines and motor vehicles that fill the air with disturbing noise. Nearly everyone causes pollution in some way. Dear students, what's the meaning of environmental pollution? Environmental pollution is the pollution. It means that is caused due to the people who are polluting their surroundings. Since environmental pollution is a pollution that degrades the natural environment. And what's the cause of this environmental pollution? Yes, this causes by the people. Environmental pollution caused by the people when they use automobiles for the transportation purpose, when they discharge from the factories into the water that poisons the water with the chemicals and other substances, when the people use for the good growth of the crops fertilizers and pesticides. So this is what they are making the soil, air and water polluted. Okay. Now other thing is that people also pollute their surrounding in various other ways. For example, they ruin natural beauty by scattering. Here they are saying that people throw their junk outside their houses and make their houses clean. Rather than recycle that junk, they throw that junk as a garbage on the land that makes the environment more polluted. As you can see the picture in the book in the third section. Due to this junk, the land is scattered on the land that makes our natural environment polluted. Okay. If you will see the traffic, the honking of horns cause another type of pollution, that is noise pollution. So nearly everyone causing the pollution in some manner. Let's see the next paragraph. Environmental pollution is one of the most serious problems facing humanity today. Air, water and soil, all harmed by pollution, are necessary to the survival of all living things. Badly polluted air cause illness and even death. Polluted water kills fish and other marine life. Pollution of soil reduces the amount of land available for growing food. Environmental pollution also brings ugliness to our naturally beautiful world. Dear students, see, environmental pollution is very serious issue and it is erasing day by day. Environmental pollution is only the cause that is increasing the global warming day by day. Air, water and soil all are harmed by pollution. if you will see the emission of the smoke from the chimneys of the factories, and the discharge of the polluted water from the factories, that causes the rivers fresh water polluted by chemicals and other substances. So this is what the water and air is polluted due to the people who are living in the environment. Whereas people also pollute the soil. Why? Just because to have the good growth of the crops, they are using the fertilizers and pesticides in the soil. So this is what they are making soil polluted. Furthermore, polluted water kills fish. Yes, definitely, if this dirty water, okay, polluted water, when discharged into the fresh water of the river, then definitely it will affect the marine life and the animals of the water which we use as a food, like fish and prawns and other animals, which will be badly affected. Maybe it caused the death of those naturally existing animals.